We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive and detailed overview of the generic romantic neon light table lamp. This product is designed as a versatile neon sign that can be used in bedrooms, bathrooms, and various indoor settings, serving both decorative and functional purposes. It is USB powered, which makes it convenient and energy efficient, consuming less power compared to traditional neon lights. The lamp measures approximately 40 by 27.5 centimeters, making it a moderate size suitable for desks, walls, or bedside tables. Users appreciate the lamp's aesthetic appeal, especially its ability to add a romantic and modern neon glow to any room. It is often praised for its use as room decor, birthday party decoration, photography prop, and store display item. The light's soft yet vibrant illumination creates a cozy atmosphere, making it popular for celebrations such as weddings, bachelor parties, and family gatherings. Many find it a fun and joyful addition to their living spaces, enhancing the ambiance without overwhelming the room. The USB power design is a significant advantage, offering versatility in powering the lamp. It can be plugged into a computer, power bank, or USB wall adapter, which adds to its convenience and portability. This feature also contributes to its lower power consumption, making it an energy-conscious choice for users who want stylish lighting without high electricity costs. In terms of build quality, the lamp is made from white plastic, which is lightweight and child-friendly. This makes it suitable for various environments, including homes with children. However, some users might prefer a more premium material for durability and a higher-end feel. The lamp's design is simple and clean, fitting well with modern and minimalist decor styles. Performance-wise, the LED neon light provides an even and consistent glow, mimicking traditional neon signs but with the benefits of LED technology. This means no fragile glass tubes and less heat generation, which enhances safety and longevity. Users have noted that the light is bright enough to serve as a nightlight or decorative accent without being harsh or glaring. One of the common praises is the lamp's versatility. It is not limited to one use but can be adapted for various occasions and settings. Whether used as a bedside wall lamp, a romantic accent light, or a cool piece of room decor, it meets different needs effectively. The wireless feature adds to this flexibility, allowing placement without worrying about visible cords. On the downside, some users might find the size a bit limiting if they want a larger statement piece. Also, the white plastic construction, while practical, may not appeal to those seeking a more luxurious or vintage neon look. The lamp does not appear to have adjustable brightness or color options, which could be a drawback for users wanting more customization. Overall, the generic romantic neon light table lamp stands out as a stylish, energy-efficient, and versatile lighting option. It combines the nostalgic charm of neon with modern LED technology, making it suitable for a variety of uses from room decoration to event lighting. Its USB power source adds convenience, and its design fits well in contemporary spaces. If you own this lamp, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed choice. The link to the product is in the description below. Using it supports the channel and helps us bring you more expert reviews.